making some yummy eggs. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put in the boiling water inside the stove. Boiling egg. 1, 2, 3. Now wait for 15 minutes. Took out the eggs and now it's time to put the toast in. Time to put the bread in. Oh, I got rooms. Cut some leaves. Okay guys, this is a hard progress. I had to put everything inside. Now it's time to put in the sauce. I chose sriracha. I squished it. Now it's time to put in the bread. This looks like a mess. Final progress. It looks disgusting, but I ate it and it tastes really good. Not gonna lie, it actually tastes pretty good. Now it's time to clean up. Scrubbing. There. Water. What is this? It's just making more. I think I need a cloth. Tissue. There. Go. That's good. See you in the next one. Peace.